Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start to some part of statistics as well because both carry equal marks, and statistics is something which students find difficult to understand. From now onwards, I'll try and because many students do not understand English as much, so I'll speak in English and Hindi both. That is called English. I hope you guys will understand and will cooperate. Okay. So, what is statistics? Statistics is an important branch of economics which deals with data. In today's world, where data is collected everywhere, there is data everywhere. ठीक है? That data needs to be arranged, analyzed, interpreted so that that vast amount of data can be concluded. So, in order to conclude a vast amount of data, statistics plays a very important role. Statistics help us we convert large amount of numerical information into meaningful conclusion. It enables or helps government, business, economists, researchers, and everyone to understand the trends, compare information, and make better decisions. So, in simple words, we can say that statistics is derived from a Latin word called status, which means state. In earlier times, government collected statistical information about population, taxes, birth, death, administrative purposes के लिए. Today, the statistics has expanded to every field. So, in order to understand statistics, we need to understand statistics in two different senses. Statistics in plural sense. In the plural sense, statistics refers to the numerical facts for the data. जैसे कि इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन, मंथली इनकम ऑफ अ फैमिली, मार्क्स ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट, इन्फ्लेशन रेट, लिटरेसी रेट, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट. These are all data, and these are all data which comes at the statistics. These are all example of statistical data. Now, statistics in singular sense. In singular sense, statistics refers to the science. It's a science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data. अगर डेफिनेशन को याद नहीं होती है यहाँ से याद कर लो. Statistics refers to the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data. Simple words में कहें, statistics is a method that help us to study numerical information and draw meaningful conclusion. All right. So, statistics may be defined as a science of collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Same definition. What are the characteristics of statistics? So, first, statistics deals with numerical data. Okay, statistics doesn't deal with qualitative data; it deals with quantitative data, like population. What is the number of population, number of people residing over an area? 50,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 2 crore, 1 crore. Income 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Price 80 per kg, 40 per kg, etc. So these can be analyzed statistically. Statement like the weather is pleasant or the food is tasty cannot be analyzed because they are not numerical. They are quantitative. They are not quantitative. They are qualitative data. Okay. Statistics studies group, not individual. So as we know that statistics is done for a collection of data. When there is vast amount of data, so statistics doesn't go with individual. Statistic goes with collection or a group of people. ठीक है. Instead, a study is a group of observation. जैसे कि the marks of one student cannot be analyzed statistically, but the marks of 100 students can be analyzed statistically. Then, statistics deals with aggregate facts. Statistics studies collects data from many observations. Therefore, the income of one family is not enough. जैसे ऊपर बात हुई थी प्लूरल और सिंगुलर सेंस में, वही बात है. Statistics is collected for a specific purpose. So data is always collected for a clear objective. If a company wants to know the customer satisfaction rate, it will collect data related to customer opinion only, that is customer feedback. Next is statistics must be comparable. What is the point of drawing conclusions when you cannot compare the data? So statistics data must be collected in the same unit and under same condition. जैसे कि comparing the income of one person in rupees with another person in dollars without the conversions of currency is meaningless. Okay, statistics should be reasonably accurate. जो conclusions drawn from statistics depend upon the accuracy of collected data. The how accurate your data is, the finest results you are going to get. Importance of statistics. What is the importance of statistics? Statistics helps economists to measure national income, that is GDP, calculate inflation, mehengai, measure unemployment, study poverty, garibi, compare economic growth, prepare economic policies. Without statistics, economics becomes only a theoretical subject. So it is important for economists. It is important for businesses. How it helps businesses to forecast sales, analyze customer demand, estimate future production, compare profit, control inventory, improve decision making. How to government use statistics for population census, budget preparation, tax collection, employment service, agriculture planning, health programs. Importance in education. Schools and colleges use statistics to calculate the average marks, prepare result analysis, compare student performances, evaluate educational program. Banking and finance make an importance. It analyzes loan application, estimates financial risk, study customer behavior, prepare investment plans. Medical science में क्या है? Doctors and researchers use statistics to test medicine, analyze disease spread, study patient recovery, conduct medical researches. What is the function of statistics? Statistics perform several functions. First is collection of data. So the definition we read is only the function of statistics. That is collection of data. The first of all, the statistics is collecting information from different sources, जैसे कि population survey, income survey, employment survey. Then organization of the data. The collected data is then organized in a systematic manner. It includes classification, tabulation, frequency, distribution. Then is presentation of data. The collected data is presented in a tabular form or in bar graph or in pie charts or in histograms as we want to. That is frequency polygons as the way we want to. We can collect it, present the collected data as we are willing to. Okay. Then analysis of data. फर्स्ट हमने कलेक्ट भी कर लिया, उसको प्रेजेंट भी कर लिया, तो उसके बाद एनालिसिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्यों किया इतना सब कुछ? क्योंकि एनालिसिस करना है. एनालिसिस कैसे होता है? मीन, मीडियन, मोड से, रेंज से, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन से, को रिलेशन से, इंडेक्स नंबर से. दीज ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर गोइंग टू बी कवर्ड इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्लास 11. तो मेजर्स हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड द डेटा बेटर. अब उनको एनालाइज कर लिया, देन इंटरप्रेट करो, समझो, कंक्लूजन्स निकालो कि क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ, क्या प्राइसेस बढ़े, क्या प्रोडक्शन इंप्रूव हुआ. लिमिटेशन क्या है स्टैटिस्टिक्स की? स्टैटिस्टिक्स सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल डेटा पढ़ता है कि क्वालिटेटिव डेटा नहीं पढ़ता. जैसे कि इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन द मैनेजर्स एटीट्यूड, द एच आर, सपोज द एच आर मैनेजर है, उसका एटीट्यूड इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हायरिंग एम्प्लॉयज और फॉर द एम्प्लॉय सेटिस्फैक्शन. बिकॉज इफ एम्प्लॉयज आर नॉट satisfied, they will not contribute to the growth of the organization. So employee satisfaction is equally important, and if their manager is kind enough to help them, to support them, they'll work accordingly. Okay. So statistics does not include qualitative data. Here manager ka kindness or manager ka nice behavior will not be included in the statistics. It includes only numerical data. स्टैटिस्टिक्स ओनली स्टडीज ग्रुप. एक सिंगल इंडिविजुअल के बारे में स्टैटिस्टिक्स बात नहीं करता. स्टैटिस्टिक्स गिव्स अप्रॉक्सीमेट रिजल्ट. स्टैटिस्टिक्स आर journally estimates and not exact fact. Statistics can be misused. Wrong data या wrong interpretation may lead to incorrect conclusion. Therefore, statistics should always be used carefully. Statistics can replace common sense. If your common sense or your logical thinking is giving you the another example, but statistics is giving you the another example, so there can be contradiction between the two. Scope of statistics. Statistics is widely used in many fields like economics, business, commerce, banking, insurance, agriculture, medical science, engineering, education, government administration, research, sports, marketing. And its scope is increasing every year because of use of data is continuously growing. So, what are the basic statistical terms? Some terms we are going to read today. First is data. Data means a collection of fact and figure is called data. When you collect facts or figures, that is called data. Simple. Next is observation. Each individual value in a data set is called observation. This is observation. 52, 67, 71, 84 individual are called observation. Variable. What is variable? Variable is a characteristics whose value changes like income, marks, height, age. Frequency. Frequency means the number of times a particular observation occurs. जैसे कि 20, 20, 25, 30, 30, 30. Here 20 appears 2 times. The frequency of 20 is 2, and 30 appears 3 times. Frequency of 30 is 3. Okay. So statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting numerical data. It helps us understand information in a simple and meaningful way, making it easier to compare, predict, and make informed decisions. If you will write this only for the introduction of statistics, your answer is going to be top notch. Statistics is widely used in economics, business, government, banking, education, medical sciences, and many other fields. So understanding the basic concept of statistics provide a strong foundation for learning advanced topic, which are measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, correlation, index number in class 11. I hope you understood the basic concepts of statistics. We are going to be doing the advanced concept like mean, median, mode, or correlation, indexation, and everything in the upcoming videos. Stay connected. As of now, bye bye.